Carousel is one of the best examples of a high-quality performance cruising design. Bill Dixon offers a lot of great features, including the reverse stern with steps down to a wide swim platform. Moving forward, we can see the aft deck, electric winches, bimini, hard companionway Dodger cover, and further forward the stowaway in-mast electric furling, headsail and staysail furling as well. Before showing us the drop-down swim platform that has a recessed ladder and is fully covered, and forward of that we have a step access locker top here, which has a full width lazarette. Carousel is a very comfortable cruising cockpit with long seating, high backrest. We have a pedestal here with controls for the main engine, bow thrusters, anchor lift, autopilot. Next to the autopilot we have a rudder angle control. Also have the full Yanmar panel and a fold-up wheel, which gives you additional room when you're not sailing. Over here we have the electric Lumar power winches. Moving forward, we have a companionway Dodger with a hard cover and all removable panels. Further forward, we have a boom vang. You can see this terrific non-skid pattern. The stay-lock terminals for the stays. Lots of deck hatches. And further forward here, we have the staysail furler, headsail furler, anchor windlass, and double anchor platform. To port of the companionway steps is the nav center, which is a custom design with a wider table, slots for roll-up charts, drawer bank, custom port dining area with a large table. Lots of light from full-length ports, overhead hatches with shade screen combinations. To starboard we have two custom chairs with table.
My name is Fort Felker, and this boat was designed by Bill Dixon, a British naval architect. We went to Taiwan where the hull and the joinery was done. The balance of the boat, the standing and running rigging was all installed in Annapolis. Here we have control for the Salon air conditioner. This is a battery monitor. This is a electrosand circuit breaker, refrigeration circuit breaker. Over here we have wind instruments, a solid state barometer, radar, monochrome, chart plotter, single sideband, VHF, wind depth and speed indicators, and here a weather fax. Across from the nav station is a Bass electric panel with breakers for all the DC and AC equipment on board. This is an 8 kW Panda control panel, a holding tank capacity indicator, master shore generator. Here is a flow scan indicator which shows the amount of fuel burn at any particular power setting. There is excellent access to all four sides of the engine. There actually are 5 access doors so that it can be attended to from any side with no effort. Here we have the 8 kW Panda generator. Here we have parallel fuel filters allowing changing from one to the other without interruption of running the engine. Here is a standard alternator which came with the engine. This is an additional 200 amp derated alternator. We have here a backup engine cooling water source that comes through a separate through hull and strainer. This is a Spectra water maker, which has a capacity of over 100 gallons per day.
There's many custom interior design modifications that make Carousel special. The Galley is one of the best examples. I'm now going to introduce you to Michelle. She was very involved in the design of the Galley and many other features on the boat. She's going to tell you a little bit about what she did.
That we really like and has worked well are the high fiddles on the countertop. And also the Korean countertops have been really a great practical choice for the boat. Easy to clean, no trouble, all smooth surface. The double sinks, the stainless steel. We have incorporated covers to allow us to extend the countertop space, and we've been very pleased with the 12-volt electric refrigeration. The freezer is adequate, that even keeps ice cream frozen, and the refrigerator is quite large size and is accessible from the top and the front. And then of course a microwave, and then we have several pantries, and then our stainless steel 3-burner stove.
We're now going forward into the 2 stateroom guest cabins. To port, we have a large single. We got shelf lockers, drawer bank, and another hanging locker to starboard. Going forward, we've got full beam V-berth cabin with bureau to port, hanging locker above it, shelf lockers, tall hanging locker. Access to the forward guest head is from the passageway across from the port guest cabin. One of the great features of the Bill Dixon designs is you have stall showers in both the guest cabin and the master. And we also have a private entry door into the forward cabin. I'm now going to take you into the aft cabin master. It's one of Bill Dixon's signature features. The centerline queen berth. On the left here is a full height door for the access to the engine room. This cabin, like other parts of the boat, was heavily customized. We have bureaus on the port side and a matching bureau on the starboard side. As we come into the cabin, we also have a sit-down vanity with full-length mirror, opening ports on the port and starboard side in the hull, aft end of the trunk cabin, and above the head of the berth, which the owner really likes because he can open them at night when it starts getting a little hot and he gets natural ventilation. The opening ports all have covers, which has really kept the woodwork in great shape. We're now looking at the double hanging locker. The owner's master head includes a vanity, a separate stall shower, with a glass door and a seat. Hope you enjoyed your tour of Carousel, a beautiful Tazewell 50. I want to thank Fort and his wife Michelle for their help in showing you features of the boat. If you want additional information, please contact Dave Walters, Dave Walters Yachts in Fort Lauderdale.